and welcome to Singalongalloydy. Awkward. This video is about osmosis. I'm going to sing it first, then I'm going to explain it, then I'm going to sing it again. I didn't know if that was a knock at the door, but never mind. It's to Aladdin one step ahead of the somebody. Hope you like it. A bit early. Are we ready? Partially permeable membrane surrounds a cell, you know, allows water to move to and fro.
What's it called?
It's diffusion by osmosis. It's a simple passive process. Dilute to concentrated, it will flow. Hypertonic, not ironic. It's so concentrated. Water leaves cells dehydrated. Hypotonic is the opposite. Isotonic is just right. Hello, and so that song is all about osmosis and tries to help you remember the key facts about osmosis. So it starts with partially permeable membrane surrounds the cell. So whenever an exam question asks you about osmosis, always mention that it occurs through a partially permeable membrane, a membrane that allows some things to go through but not others. Water can move through nice and easily through osmosis. Also partially permeable membrane surrounds the cell, allows water to move to and fro, that makes sense. It's diffusion, it's a form of diffusion by osmosis. That's the movement of water by osmosis. It's just a type of diffusion. It's a simple passive process, which means it doesn't need energy from respiration, like active transport. It will just happen naturally. Dilute to concentrated, it will flow. So water will always move from where there is a dilute solution with lots of water to where there is a more concentrated solution where there is less water and more dissolved solute or more dissolved salts inside. Dilute to concentrated, it will flow. Hypertonic solutions, hypertonic, not ironic, doesn't really help. They're so concentrated. So a very concentrated solution is called a hypertonic solution. I'm sorry I keep doing that, I can't stop it. Hyper tonic solution. And it's so concentrated. If you put a cell in that solution, water will leave the cells and the cells will become dehydrated. So if you put a cell into a hypotonic solution, water will leave the cell by osmosis, moving from where there's more water to where there's less, and the cell will become dehydrated. Hypotonic is the opposite. That's a very dilute solution. If you put a cell in a very dilute solution, water will move into the cell, and if it's an animal cell, the cell will pop and burst. Okay? And then isotonic solutions are perfect. They're just the right concentration to allow no net movement of water in or out of the cell. So the cell won't burst because it takes in too much water, and it won't become shriveled up because it's lost too much water. So isotonic is just right. And you may have seen Lucasade isotonic drinks. They're supposed to maintain the iron balance in your body. Okay, and that's the end of the song, I think. So we're ready to sing again? Is it? Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, one more time then. Off we go. Partially permeable membrane surrounds the cells, you know, allows water to move to and fro.
What's it called?
It's diffusion by osmosis. It's a simple passive process. Dilute to concentrated, it will flow. Isotonic, not ironic. It's so concentrated. Pause. Water leaves cells, they're deflated. Wrong word.